Did you get it?
I haven't, but I'm going to see if it's finished. Will you quit taping me and my pen down?
What if it just goes off again like it did a second ago?
Get it down. Go for it. Go with me. Yes, is it morning? I see you, poor Mr. Darcy. I'm getting you on the street. Hold on. Hey, Russell. Lord knows all the cats want their breakfast.
It could be carbon monoxide and we could be all dying right now.
No, the windows are open. Oh, your roommate pointed out. I'm working on it because I'm super hungry.
I think that smoke detector woke everybody in the house up.
Little Bird and Baby Pete weren't even ready to go out yet. They were going to sleep in. And yeah, you too. Come on, kitties. I got you some. Come on, baby kitties. You need to go outside. Brownie, go on. Hold on. Brownie, come on. Oh, there's no cat either. Oh, no wonder you're hungry. You poor starving cat. Here. There you go, kitty. Brownie went out. Thank goodness. Oh, he's back. How did you go off the porch? Brownie, come on. He wants his breakfast first. Or, well, maybe not. Come on. Go pee pee. He wants the cat's breakfast. Go.
Is this what you do with him every morning?
Yeah. Please quit taping us.
It's
okay.
Fun. The smoke detector woke me up.
Well, it's okay. It's time for you to get up, Ronnie. Your mother's making coffee. Oh, I was trying to get out there and pee.
He just did.
He did? Well, come on then.
I don't know if he
did you watch him pee?
I think he did.
No, he didn't. Come on, Brownie. Go potty.
Actually, you're right. He didn't. He just stood there.
Go. Go potty.
Brownie,
Go TT.
you have to potty. Maybe he's trying to tell us that he doesn't need to.
Look at little Peep Peep and Little Bird having those sesame seeds. Aren't they adorable?
Yes.
They're like the cutest thing in the world. Look at them. Your roommates that you weren't supposed to tell Grandma.
You drove home with that on your mirror last night.
I know, that's crazy. I drove up there with it too.
No biting my crotch. My crotch is off limits.
Bark, bark. Outside. Oh, not you, Little Bird. Not you, babies.
Oh, now they're going.
She might need a poop.
Brownie,
Shred
stop.
down there.
I'm not your love interest. Stop, Brownie.
You are his love interest. Come
Bro.
on, baby birds. Come finish your food. It's okay.
Stop. Why are you biting me in the crotch? There's nothing down there. That's gross.
Oh, that's sad for your crotch. There's nothing down there.
I mean, there is, but
Oh, they ate all the sesame seeds.
it's not what
They
he's...
picked all the ones they liked out.
It's not what he's looking for. There is stuff down there.
Sure.
Hey, yo! Ow! Stop! Get off me! Brown, you are being really inappropriate.
That's Brownie. Okay. Scarlet. Brownie, go off this porch and potty. Come on, Brownie, potty. Go. Come on, go. Hey, off the porch and potty. Go potty. Go TT and poo poo. Go on. Good boy. It's sad you have to go. Brownie, go potty.
He's just exploring.
He's like, what's going on? He wants somebody to walk out there to the chicken pen.
Oh man, I think the C-Tex got me. He's done.
He didn't pee.
He didn't do anything. He's...
Get out there and pee pee. You better go on and go. Get out in that yard and potty and don't you come back till you do. Go, TT and poo poo. Go. Shh.
What
Go.
happens if this like messes him up mentally?
It doesn't. He's already messed up mentally.
What if it makes him think, I can't come back here, I'm gonna have to find a new home?
He can't come back here until he potties. Go potty. Go TT. You know what I'm talking about. Put your shoes on and walk out there to the chicken pen and let the chickens out with him and he'll do his business, okay?
Rotom, you have to go pee. If you don't, you're gonna end up peeing all over the house.
For real.
Elijah used to call him Browntown.
I call him Brandtown too. Is that taping?
It is.
It's gonna be a horrible video. You're shooting the ground half the time.
I'm posting it on the YouTube page.
Well, it's too crappy to post.
It's
Look
gonna
at
be
that.
it's gonna be called
I like to make people with vertigo sick from this video.
You have vertigo?
I'm just saying that it will make people with vertigo sick. I don't want to be on the. Don't post this video.
I'm gonna edit and cut you all the parts of you out. Because I know you like your privacy. This video is gonna be called The Smoke Detector Broke in all caps. With 1,000 exclamation points.
Jeez Louise. Go, Brownie, go potty. What if the house really was burning down?
Then that would be...
Now we don't have a smoke detector. Look at him. He needs to go to the bathroom, but he won't because he's just crazy.
The smoke detector finally broke after like 15 years.
Whatever, that thing hadn't even been put up for a really long time. She just put it up, I feel like.
That's not
The
true.
batteries are going dead, so it's going off. So you'll think it's... That's ridiculous, Grandma. When the batteries go off, it goes beep, beep. It chirps at you, you know?
Yes, it chirps. It doesn't go
Go
off all the
off.
way. It chirps when it's dying.
Take Browntown out there.
I think Brownie likes our story we're telling right now. That's
oh,
why
yeah.
he's sitting
Don't
there.
forget, you're going to church today, so it's good you're up. Go let the chickens out.
Bruh, this was a trick. Please don't
Do you
make
not
me.
want
My feet are so clean and it's gonna get so gross. My toenails look wonderful today.
Oh, you mean going out there? Okay, fine. It's not that big of a deal to do.
What's he looking at? He keeps turning his head round and round and round.
He's surveying the yard, being a good protector. Little bird and baby Peep right there. Where are my shoes? In the other door?
It's a baby. I'll take you when we find my shoes.
I just stick him outside. Oh, baby, are you ready? Darcy's pressing for his food because he only wants wet food.
Hey, Graham.
Hey, honey.
Guys, remember that time Brownie tried to...
us in our pajamas.
Remember that time Brownie tried to hump Gloria when she came down here?
Why are we bringing that up?
I'm just pointing out that happened
This
once.
is a cat food dish.
Well,
Let's go back in the cat food.
appropriate language, okay?
So please.
Also, Brad, a smoke detector would chirp if the batteries were dying, not go off.
Is that smoke or carbon monoxide? But we don't even have anything running that can make carbon monoxide. Is the house actually on fire?
The house never got on... There's no fire, so why would that be going off?
Sounds like the house is on fire.
If it went
I
off...
don't know.
I'm just kidding.
I'm
The house is
thinking
not on fire.
It needs
So
batteries.
get out of the kitchen. You're in the way of me feeding the animals. Get.
Well, Grant is
You're as
too.
bad as
we're
the
both
animals.
We're both all over the place.
Well, you don't have to.
But this
But
is the
I'm
kitchen
telling
space.
you to quit recording me in my nightgown.
Come on.
I'm posting this on the YouTube
I
page.
don't want to be recorded.
Why?
Come on, Mr. Darcy.
Because.
Why do you not like being recorded?
Because we don't look good.
Okay.
We don't want people laughing at how crappy we look in the morning.
Okay.
Because that's what people will do. You either look at someone on the internet and be like, oh, they look good, or oh, I'm going to laugh at them. Grandma and I don't want to be remembered like this.
My hairnet need to have been combed.
Guys, there's a thing called editing. I can edit this out.
I'm
Just stop. It
asking
makes
you-
us uncomfortable and stresses us out. Because we don't trust you.
We don't know.
Oh my gosh. You guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Okay. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.